QNT at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a breakdown move after getting rejected at our key area of resistance above the $122.7. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the most significant key areas of supports that we need to pay attention to, basing my analysis on the ED12 structures and the Fibonacci's. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows we made on the 20th of Dec, where we saw a very nice bounce to the upside and peaked in the formation of this wave 1. Then we saw pullback in the formation of this wave 2 into the minimum pullback target areas for that second wave, highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area, an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that in the next coming hours the bulls might get back into the market and give us a push to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. Then we can expect a pullback in a wave 4 and then continue pushing higher in the formation of these ED12 count 5. And the minimum target areas for this wave 3 can be given using the fib extension, connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that gives me a minimum target area for that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the $144. Then we can expect a pullback and then continue pushing higher. We also need to have in mind that we have been stuck in much of a consolidation zone over here that I have marked on the charts using this blue channel, which lies between the $122.7 and the $100 and the $103, an area that is now giving us a rejection on the upper side of the channel. And there are chances that in case we don't see the bulls get back into the market to push the price higher, there are chances that we can easily see much of a sell-off in the next coming hours in a move that will easily give us a breakdown move to the lower side of the channel above the $103. And if that key area of support continues to hold, there's a chance of a bounce back. But if by any chance we lose, that is, we break out of the channel to the lower side and maybe also lose support within these yellow target area, then that will be suggesting a failure of these ED12 structure and a more bearish case scenario. And for you to better understand that more bearish case scenario, I want to give you a recap of what has been happening from the lows we made on the 4th of November, where you can see that we started a very nice bounce to the upside and we first peaked in the formation of this wave 1, so a pullback in a wave 2, a bounce in a wave 3, a wave 4, and then continued pushing higher in the formation of this wave 5 in a move that gave us a high above the $172. And that 5 wave structure to the upside completed the formation of these larger ED12 count 1. And having picked in the formation of that first wave, I was expecting a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2, whose minimum target areas I have marked on the charts using this red target area, an area that I came up with by connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, and that gave me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.382 and the 78. And that was between the $79.5 and the $127.6, an area that we almost fully maximized. Though if these 5 wave structure over here fails, and maybe we also break out of this consolidation zone to the lower side, then there are high chances that we are going to fully maximize this red target area before we can finally bounce impulsively in the formation of this wave 3. So that is the roadmap that I'm expecting QNT to follow for the next coming hours and days. And let's be patient and see how that plays out. And I will ensure you stay up to date.